When more and more devices are being used in our daily life, charging them has also become a part of our routine. But what if we are on a business trip or a holiday and there's no time to charge them? The power bank is one of the best inventions of all time. But not all power banks are built the same. For example, some laptops required a minimal voltage. This is where AOHi Starship 240W power bank comes in. It's designed to charge almost everything. Disclaimer: this power bank was provided by AOHi for this review. They have no editorial input or influence on the content. Let's take a quick look at the unboxing. The presentation is pretty nice, to be honest. I love the retro futuristic aesthetic. Once you lift open the box, you see the power bank secured tightly with a thick foam. Beneath it are the user manual and a 140W rated cable. Here's a quick look of the power bank. It features a matte finish body and bright yellow accent, giving it a distinctive look. It has a smart LED display that shows battery capacity, power input and output. To be honest, it's not as smart as others power bank which offer more detailed information like what's the charging protocols it's using, what's the voltage and ampere input and output. I know it's not a huge deal since it comes with smart charging management and features 15 layers of safety protection. The display only occupies the top window, while at the bottom has nothing and is prone to fingerprint and scratches. Why AOHi? Maybe you could add a semi-transparent plastic windows to showcase what's the internal components. This power bank is packed with a 27,600 mAh batteries which contribute to its bulkiness and 650 grams of weight. The large capacity allows it to fully charge a MacBook Pro, 2 rounds of iPad Pro 12.9-inch, 5 rounds of iPhone 16 Pro or Samsung Galaxy S25, and so on. You get the points. Don't be intimidated by the large capacity number. The battery pack is rated at 99.36 Wh, which is below the airline carry-on threshold of 100 Wh. So it's flight compliance if you plan to take it on a plane. Now, let's talk about the charging protocols and ports. It supports almost all modern fast charging protocols on the market, including USB PD 3.1, 3.0, PPS, QC 3.0, Samsung AFC, Huawei FCP, Apple Fast Charge, and more, including low current mode for wearable. There are two USB-C 3.1 ports, each supporting a max of 140W input and output, which is great for high power demanding devices like gaming laptop and the MacBook Pro 16. It supports up to 240W if you are charging two laptops concurrently, while the USB-A ports output up to 22.5W. With its fast charging speed, you can charge your power bank while charging your devices or even your laptop. This is an efficient way to stay powered up while on the go. There are only a handful of power banks in the market that can charge everything from a smartphone to your gaming laptop, support the latest fast charging protocols, and recharge quickly. AOHi is one of them and offer a pretty decent price tag. The AOHi Starship 240W power bank is priced at $139 and they are currently offering a $30 discount. If you miss the promotion, fret not, use the promo code Joshua15 off to enjoy a 15% discount. That's all from me on the AOHi Starship 240W power bank. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.